Let's continue Hilchos Teshuvah, Shir number 26. We learned in the previous lesson that there was a mishkal, a scale from mitzvahs and aveiros, but in that scale, it's not like we think about mitzvahs and aveiros. Ya'animtzo by davar tov could be one small thing, very small, like a pischoi shel machat, but that's by HaKadosh Baruch Hu, it's very great because it was hard for this person, for this man, to be misgaber this isgabus and this aveira, and that's why by HaKadosh Baruch Hu, that's much more than a lot of aveiras. And everything only HaKadosh Baruch Hu could know. Based on this Rambam, explains Rabbi Yisroel Salanter that we have the right way of doing Teshuvah. He calls it Teshuvah bevechinois hakalois. Teshuvah in the easy way. What's the Teshuvah in bechinois hakalois in the easy way? He says, when we come to Shamayim and we start seeing on the scale mitzvahs and aveiros from both sides, we, and the way that we think when we are over in the world, so you have like Chilul Shabbos, wow, it's a gigantic mitzvah, a gigantic aveira. There was big mitzvahs and big aveiros. What's big by us is the way that we look on it. But he says what's really taking place and very heavy on the scale from Shamayim is a different aveiros. Let's say someone that is he's smoking, okay? And it's not healthy to smoke, and it's also by him, let's say even Shabbos, it's a aveira to smoke. Now, this aveira of smoking Shabbos, it's a big mitzvah, a big aveira, or a small aveira? The way that we look at it in the world, it's a very big aveira. It's a aveira for chayve misa is best, it's skille. It's a very big aveira. But in the scale of Shamayim, how hard or easy is to be misgaber and this aveira from not smoking Shabbos? We all know that if someone is smoking, it's very hard to stop smoking. And if someone, is as usual, that's his regilus, that he always smokes, and comes Shabbos, to stop smoking is very hard. Says Rabbi Yisroel Salanter, something that's so hard for a person to stop, it's a small aveira. And the place it takes on the scale, and how heavy is it, it's very light. Not washing mayim achroinim, if they're supposed to, depends on the Ramah, the Mishnah Berurah, but it's not something easy, like mayim achroinim, that's what's a big problem. It's a bit of water, wash your hands. That's a very heavy aveira. Okay, it could be only a derabanan. It could be only, but that, it's easy for you. Why are you not doing it? Why? Because you mezalzel, it's not important to you, what HaKadosh Baruch Hu cares about and wants you should do, and Chazal tell you to do, you don't care about it, you don't nothing about it. That's a big problem. That's very heavy. Things that's big aveiros, but it's very hard for us to be misgaber that small aveiros on the scale of heaven. Things that's easy for us, and the same thing also on mitzvahs. There's mitzvahs that's easy for us to do. So why are we not doing it? It's easy, you already do as a minion, so daven. No, he doesn't care about it. You don't care about it, and it's easy? That's very heavy on the scale from heaven. That's a very bad aveira. But if something goes hard and you need to have a big isgabus for it, it's very different. It's also by mitzvahs and also by aveiras. That's what Rabbi Yisroel Salanter teaches us, that when we come and we try to do teshuvah, and we want to do teshuvah, which kabbala should we accept on ourselves? Taught us Rabbi Yisroel Salanter, take something that's very easy. Not only because it's easy and then you will continue, it would last. No, because what's very easy for you, that's the very dangerous aveiras for you. When on the scale from tzaddik and rasha in heaven, the things that's very easy for you, that's what takes a gigantic place that's very heavy. Take that off from the scale. Pass it over to the second side. It should be on the side of mitzvahs. And hard aveiras, what looks to us hard, and what's hard for us, and it's difficult to get over, that, he says, it's very small on the scale. That leave for later. Teshuvah b'v'chinois hakalois, a great teaching that teached us Rabbi Yisroel Salanter.